cargo of bricks for the fair City Hall of New York. We'd a beautiful craft, she was rich fore and aft, and Lord, how the trade winds drove her as she stood to the flat. She had 23 masts, and we called her the Irish Rover. There was Barney McGee from the banks of the Lee. There was Hogan from County Clare, and a chap called Micker who was scared stiff of work, and a chap from West Meath called Mellon. There was Slugger O'Toole who was drunk as a fool, and 14-bit Cassie from Dover. There was Dave from Clare who was strong as a bear, and was skipper of the Irish Rover. We had 1 million bags of the best Slingo rags. We had 2 million barrels of bones. We had 3 million sides from old blind horses' hides. We had 4 million bags full of stones. We had 5 million dogs and 6 million hogs and 7 million bundles of clover. We had 8 million bales of old Billy Ghost tails in the hull of the Irish Rover. Oh, we sailed 7 years, and the measles broke out, and the ship lost her way in the fog, and the whole of the crew was reduced unto 2.